The METRIOS brand specializes in 2D optical measurement systems. Its mission is to support production through metrology. Unlike other brands that offer a variety of products, METRIOS focuses solely on 2D optical metrology and has become the leading specialist in the field. 2D optical measuring is extremely fast and repeatable, ideal characteristics for inspection during production. By employing exclusive onboard stepmasters, METRIOS has become a highly reliable instrument. This is why choosing METRIOS ensures reliable, bespoke results that will inevitably improve production.
METRIOS listens to the customer's specific application. First, we have to understand what the customer needs, then we provide a solution and decide how to proceed. We study the project and, more importantly, how the parts are actually produced. The aim is to determine a method, and once we've analyzed the situation with the customer, we decide the way to measure and take it from there. The measuring machine is only one part of the entire supply. The operators have to be trained in its use. The machine has to be integrated into the quality system, the production machines, and the automation systems. This is what we mean when we talk about integrated metrology solutions. Integrated metrology means that the tool automatically detects the dimensions of the part with the references of whichever machine or line produced it. Thanks to the speed of optical measuring, you can perform numerous measurements and keep production trends monitored. So I realize immediately if I go out of tolerance and can intervene in advance. This means no more scrap parts. What are the formula's secret ingredients? There are lots of ingredients, but first and foremost is listening to customers in order to work together and, of course, never abandoning them. Working in companies, we often see other brands of machines that are rarely used, maybe even covered up. It doesn't mean that they're not good products, but something was missing. Maybe it was a forced sale. Maybe no training was provided for the operators. The bottom line is that the customer basically purchased an extremely expensive profile projector. We believe that customers should invest in what makes them stand out from the rest and makes them produce better. When they invest, they want to be sure that it's the right choice. That's why I think that METRIOS' secret ingredient is its specialized and consulting approach.
During trade fairs, customers often ask very specific questions, either about resolution or whether accuracy is high in the entire field of view. They are looking for all the details, so they can be sure they are making the right choice. The entire METRIOS field of view has both high resolution and accuracy, but we want to send our customers a different message. They don't have to worry about these details. Our priority is to provide them with the right machine. Over 80% of satisfied customers prefer to repurchase the same product. They know the software, they know who they're talking to, and they know the results in advance. That's what we rely on. Once you've found the right solution for the customer and have installed the first machine, future purchases are easier.
Another secret ingredient is our flexibility. We develop our software in-house, so this allows us to follow the needs of every single customer, and everyone benefits from this.
This year's new feature is our Eagle Eye mode. A customer needed to measure a part that often projected irregular shadows. It was difficult to find a stable configuration. After much discussion, we decided to transform the function of the machine by always placing the part in optimal light conditions. The results improved dramatically and really simplified programming. Sometimes we are faced with really specific needs. Automating a process where the parts are completely symmetric except for one tiny detail is often very difficult. That's where sub-positioning came along, a function that allows you to search for the smallest details on a part and provide reliable and repeatable measurements.
An operator measuring parts with a barcode reader has got to be the definition of simplicity and confidence that no mistakes will be made. The barcode loads the program, identifies the operator and the production line. In just a few seconds, the data is available, and no transcription errors are possible. That's what we call automatic mode. Then there are customers who want to get rid of any doubts about a prototype part, so they place it on the stage, and with a few simple gestures, they can instantly detect the measurements along the profile. It's basically a projector that ensures an objective result. For these needs, we have created a new environment called Sandbox. Some customers need a stable program for production, with R&R parameters used to correct the process, and stable values on the smallest details. This is where METRIOS unleashes all the power of its in-house software, designed for use on the shop floor. The operator is ensured of fast, digital automatic measurement and the live image on a large screen. You can come across a dirty part or one with a burr that will give a false measurement, but with METRIOS you know straight away if you are producing scrap parts, so you stop, clean the part and continue the process.
METRIOS means producing better, controlling processes easily and a guaranteed good result at the end of the day. A supplier with this technology has an edge over others. In this historic moment, it's inconceivable to carry on producing with a high percentage of scrap. The market won't allow it, and neither will the environment.